Hi, this is Glenn Howes, Generally Helpful Software. I'm up here on my roof. I've been having some problems with my TV reception. Luckily I have my Signal GH app that I wrote, and I was able to see that it's gone down quite a bit since the last time I set this up. Apparently I did a fairly poor job installing the cable here. At least the connector is not looking its best. Here, let me show it to you. So I ended up just cutting it off and bring it downstairs where I could show it to you with a good light. Yeah, you can see this thing is completely rusted out. The center wire is completely gone. It fell apart when I took it out of the thing it was connected to. And yeah, no wondering it was getting a poor signal. It's amazing that any signal at all came through this. So I put a new connector on there. I'm not an expert antenna guy, so I have this grounding connector here, and I have not grounded it yet. That might have been the problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run an experiment with my Signal GH app and see if it's improved from this morning. We'll find out. Here is Signal GH version 3, my iOS app for the HDHomeRun network TV tuner. And we have a new feature this year wherein we can keep experiments, or log the condition of my antenna system over time, and see at each station changes over time. When I do things like this, like I replace a connector. And so it's going to go and scan each channel that I'm interested in, and when it's done, we can have a look at it. And as you can see, there's a lot more red this morning than there is now. Now there's plenty of green, which is good. And all the other numbers have gone up pretty much, and I'm very much interested in that I can now see my PBS station, channel 5, so that's great. Well, as you can see, that was pretty much a massive improvement, and that's now back to working where it was last fall. So, yay! Pretty easy win. Thank you. Bye.